Alright, out here picking some of these persimmons. They've gotten pretty soft, so they are ready. Oops. So I'm gonna go get a stick and kind of beat this tree and see if I can't get some more of them to fall off. Fatty. Hey. Hey. Precious, quit. So I took the persimmons, took the softer ones, took the seeds out of them, and now I've got 2 liters, just a little bit over 2 liters of juice. I'm going to cook that down so I'll lose some of the water that's in there. So I'm hoping I end up with 2 liters for that batch. Probably out of all of it, once I get done, I'll end up with 3, so I should have enough soft persimmons to do at least another liter. So I may have to add some water. This is like suction cupped to the blades. Anyway, I'm gonna pour this in here and heat it up. Have to get the blade back out, but look how solid that got. It came out really smooth. Like there's very little on the sides. Probably gonna have to add more water to that. Alright, so this is the persimmon, and it kind of looks like a block of cheese, and I can't get the stuff to come out. Is it kind of solidified? Oh, there's some. Ooh, that looks gross. Anyway, this is the common persimmon, Virginia persimmon, that grows up in North Texas. I'm gonna have to scoop that out with a spoon. Okay, I got the persimmon out of the jar, and I did half teaspoon pectin enzyme, and then a half teaspoon yeast energizer, full teaspoon yeast nutrient. Gotta add in the sugar, so I'm gonna do 5 cups of sugar. I'll just put those in my pint jars. Pour that in. I'm gonna do some more distilled water, because what I put in, so I'd already put 4 pints in, and now I'm adding 4 more pints. So I'm gonna have a total of 8 pints of water, mainly because when it was in the jars, it's like the water separated out from the puree, and very little of it was absorbed. Anyway, I'm going to mix all this together, let it set for 24 hours, and then I'll add yeast to it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do a natural yeast or if I'm going to do a store-bought yeast. I've got some natural yeast ready, but one of my buddies wants that. So this is day 1 fermentation of the persimmon, the common persimmon that grows up in North Texas. So I just left the dissolved solids in there instead of putting it in a straining bag, and then I'll strain it once I move it over to secondary fermentation. But it's starting to ferment. So this hasn't quite been 24 hours, almost 24 hours.